everyone, and welcome to Hannah's Kitchen. This is my first video, so please give me some feedback at the end and let me know what you think. And here are the ingredients we're working with today. It's going to be a crab pasta. So I've got rigatoni, salt, olive oil for the water, and then I've got this king crab leg, excellent cheese, 3 different kinds. We've got Parmesan Reggiano, Pecorino Romano, and Piave Stravecchio. Excellent pasta cheeses. Here I've got some squash blossoms. I think they'll be excellent, mixed in at the very end. Over here, we've got our veggies, broccolini, shallots, and this wonderful variety of chestnut mushroom from Mindful Mushrooms. For our sauce, we'll be using garlic. I like this paste version. Some butter. I prefer unsalted, and I like Irish if I can get it. Some parsley and some sherry. Oh yeah, and can't forget a little dash of heavy cream to make it all flow at the end. And let's prepare our water for pasta. Maybe 2 tablespoons of oil. I prefer olive. And a generous helping of kosher salt. This helps flavor the pasta noodles. The first ingredient that we're going to process is the broccolini. The next ingredient that we need to process is our chestnut mushrooms. So, these are quite unique, especially if you're just used to white buttons, or brown creminis, or even portobellos. They look like a little alien pod. They taste woodsy, kind of earthy, and like something you'd find out in a forest. So what I like to do is chop off this dark root area and then just use from the stem up, and the caps, just chop it finely. Up the zucchini babies that come with it too. Now these we're going to add to at the very end. Doesn't need much cooking at all. It's quite pokey if you get a king crab, so watch out on your hands. Oh, like that. I like to use a paper towel and just crack right there. These are the ligaments, so these are the inedible parts. They're kind of like a sheer color. This is the piece that has the big, beautiful gold mine chunk of crab. You can use kitchen shears to open up a piece of crab. Just cut right along. Open that sucker up. Ooh, look at that. Whoa! It's beautiful. That is a succulent piece of crab, king crab. Now to process this, we're going to be cutting it into little shreds and medallions. Let's get our cheeses ready. This one is Pecorino Romano. That's sheep's cheese. me is an Italian cow's milk cheese. Alright, and our beautiful Parmigiano Reggiano. That is a mighty cheese pie. Alright, let's get started on our sauce. Let's do it at about a 7 on the heat. So we'll take a healthy tablespoon of our butter and add it to our pan. Once the butter's melted, we can add our shallots. And stir about, making sure all the butter gets soaked into the shallot. Now, while the heat is still around 5 or 6, I add about a tablespoon of sherry. A high heat will cook off the alcohol, but give the shallots a nice coat to it. Now, once it's all incorporated and kind of gotten a sheen on it from the butter, I like to add my stock. You'll see it sizzle and steam when it gets added to the pan. I add enough to cover the bottom. Let it fry up. Get that steam going. This gets my broccolini really soft. Mushrooms love butter. What can we say? Oh. I would turn down the heat, back down to 6. To really accentuate the flavor. And kind of crisp it up too. So I get some butter, of course. Grab my garlic paste tube. These are actually very fresh and delicious. Highly recommend. And since I like a garlicky freaking pasta, do about 4 tablespoons worth in the butter. Smoosh it around in your pan. And mix that around with your garlic paste. That looks yummy. This is also where I begin to add salt and pepper to the recipe. Put your salt, add a pinch, add your pepper. Freshly ground, if you have it. I got some pre-ground. Shake it on. Alright, ooh. Try and get the bottom crap off. Not crap, it's actually delicious. Beautiful. part. This is our bowl of goodies. Let's add it to our sauce. All right, stir this sucker up. Wow. That's colorful. Beautiful. This is when I like to add my pasta noodles too. Forgot about that pasta water. Add a little bit of that in there too. Please let me know what I can do to improve and what you'd like to see a next recipe for. I've got quite a few lined up, so I'm excited to give you guys some new content. So let me know in the comments below what you thought. Please give it a like,